It's a beautiful, sunny Monday morning, starting a week off with bright sunshine. I love New York City, but I have to say I'm not a big fan of winter. I don't like the cold. I've never been a big winter sports person. I prefer the spring, the fall, the hot summer. I can't wait to get back on my bike and commute. So, oh well, a few more weeks of cold. So I was finally able to get my whiteboard up. So Mondays are a really good day to catch up because usually it's quiet, you're waiting for feedback, you're waiting for people to come in and stuff like that. It's a good day to catch up on work for me. Working from home this morning, waiting for the contractor to come and fix a few things around the apartment. So I'm on my laptop getting some stuff done. Can you believe that I was on the phone with Verizon, getting my phone number transferred from Vonage to Verizon? Took 2 months and an hour and a half on the phone to set it up properly. So they fixed my sliding barn doors at home. I finally got my office phone fixed and up and running. Now my line works, and I think I fixed the flickering lights. Yeah, I mean, it's Wednesday and it's gonna be 63 degrees. So today I'm going to try and tackle the shelf behind me. I have to move the printer and stuff around so I can make some space so I can get up. Let's give it a try. So unfortunately, it looks like the wall is concrete with plaster over it. So I'm probably going to have to get a hammer drill, which I used to have back in my old office before it was destroyed. So now I have to buy another hammer drill. Like, how many hammer drills does one person need? I guess I need one at least. So shelves are going to be delayed until I can get a hammer drill. Sorry about the AC, it's so hot today. I've been trying to get out to enjoy some of this 60-degree weather to get lunch for the last hour, but I keep getting phone calls and emails and then phone calls and then emails and then a messenger. Finally going to get lunch. It's so nice out. At my favorite deli. See that painting the Statue of Liberty green. This is Thursday. It's a blizzard. I have to say, this blizzard is making me extremely productive. I've gotten through so many images, my hand is getting tired. I think I'm gonna go explore the snow a little bit and get some lunch. Running a quick errand to the hardware store to see if they rent hammer drills. Okay, so the local hardware store does not rent any tools. So I'm going to have to, whoa, too bright. I'm gonna have to find a place I can rent a hammer drill from. Or maybe someone has a hammer drill I can borrow. Heading home after a really productive snow day at work. I think I did 12, 13 hours of retouching. Got a lot done. So I left the office with my slippers on and I stepped in a slush puddle and my feet were all wet and I was like, why? So now I have to go put my regular shoes on. I have my galoshes on now, so now I can slosh through the slush like a king. I'm heading home after an extremely productive work week with the snow day and then a Friday when no clients are on email or anything like that, or just a few. I got so many images done. I must have retouched close to 100 images this week. Very productive. It always feels good to be productive. So it's Friday night. I'm heading home for the week and I'm calling it. It's the end of the vlog. I'll see you next week.